Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle on a Ford Explorer. First, gather your tools. You'll need a few screwdrivers, a trim removal tool, and of course, your new door handle. Make sure your workspace is clean and organized to keep track of all the small components. This preparation will make the process much smoother. Next, we'll focus on the interior door panel. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry off any decorative trim pieces. Be mindful of hidden clips. Once the trim is off, disconnect any electrical connectors, like those for window switches. Finally, locate and remove all screws holding the panel in place, then carefully lift the panel away. Now, with the interior panel removed, you can access the door handle mechanism. Carefully detach the rod or cable connected to the handle. Then, remove the bolts or screws that secure the old handle to the door frame. Once the old handle is out, position your new handle, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Secure it with the mounting hardware. Finally, it's time for reassembly. Reconnect all electrical connectors and carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips engage. Before fully securing everything, test the new door handle to ensure it operates smoothly. Once you're satisfied, replace all screws and trim pieces. Your new door handle is now ready for use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.